Shot shows faulting module dstoragecore.dll exception code 0xc0000409 game re9.exe Resident Evil Requiem path C Windows System 32 storagecore.dll. This means the crash is related to Microsoft DirectStorage, not the game itself. Fix dstoragecore.dll crash Resident Evil Requiem. Narder 1 update Windows, very important. DirectStorage is part of modern Windows builds. 1 press Win plus I. 2 go to Windows Update 3, click Check for Updates. 4 install everything, including optional updates. 5 restart PC. If you're not on latest Windows 11 build, this can cause this crash. Manishark 2 update GPU drivers, clean install recommended. Outdated drivers commonly cause this error. If NVIDIA, download latest driver from NVIDIA site. If AMD, download latest Adrenalin driver. During install, choose Custom. Select Clean Installation, restart PC after. 3. Verify game files Steam. 1. Open Steam. 2. Right-click Resident Evil Requiem. 3. Properties, installed files. 4. Click Verify Integrity. 4. Install/repair DirectX and Visual C++. Download and install Microsoft Visual C++ 2015-2022 x64+86, DirectX end user runtime, then restart. Number 5. Disable DirectStorage temporary fix. If it still crashes, 1. Go to game folder. You can see the code in our conversation history. Bot 2. Look for config file engine.ini or similar. 3. Add. You can see the code in our conversation history or launch option in Steam. You can see the code in our conversation history. This forces older rendering path. 6. Check SSD. Important. DirectStorage requires NVMe SSD recommended, updated SSD firmware, game installed on SSD, not HDD. If installed on HDD, move game to SSD. 9% Schwab 7. Run system repair, open command prompt admin. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart PC. Most common cause, BAV C0000409. In 80% cases, outdated GPU driver or old Windows build. If it still crashes, tell me. Windows 10 or 11, GPU model, SSD or HDD. Did this start after a Windows update? I'll give you a targeted fix.